Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a quick unboxing of this Laco watch that I got recently. So let's open up the box. So this is, I would say, a rubber padded kind of box with the printed Laco logo and 1925. Right, here's the watch. So this is the Laco Aachen 39mm Flieger watch. As can be seen, this is a Type B Flieger with the inner hour and minutes marking on the outer side. Let's peel off some stickers here. I think there's another one at the back. Right. So this piece here, it's a modern reinterpretation of the very classic Flieger type watches that was issued to the German Air Force or the Luftwaffe during the Second World War. Of course, this one comes with a much smaller case diameter. It is 39mm and it is automatic. The original Flieger watches, I believe they are of 50mm because of several reasons. One of them is that they use those good qualities pocket watches movements to fit inside the watch case, and second thing is that those watches are to be worn over the gloves of those pilot at that time, and they serve a very purpose of legibility. So this piece here, it's I would say it's the entry level to these Laco watches. It is powered by an automatic Muta movement, if I'm not mistaken. So it is, yeah, sadly it is non-hackable, which is not as true to those classic Flieger watches where they are hackable, you know, to adjust the clock up to the second. But here it's just a classic Muta movement. And it's hand windable. Let me see. Well, there is a ghost date position, which is a bummer here because this watch, it doesn't have a date window, but from the movement used, they basically used a very basic Muta movement that comes with sort of like a ghost date movement. But anyhow, to me, this is not a deal breaker because I've always wanted to get my hands on a Flieger watch, but I would say most of them are still pretty much too big for me because modern Flieger watches are still like in dimensions of 42mm, and I think this is one of the smallest size Flieger watches that I can get at 39mm. The case is entirely bead blasted and it does come with this slightly, not very big, but it's still an onion type crown, if you will. And it has a blue dial. I really like the blue of the dial. Let's try to put it on my wrist. Alright, this is how the watch looks on my 6-inch wrist. I think it's still very manageable. It's a very manageable size. And yes, if you notice that I'm not wearing the NATO as most people would do, but I do prefer that, you know, to have the bulk at the bottom side of the wrist to sort of like balance out the watch case. And it could be a funny thing here because if I'm not mistaken, this NATO strap is some kind of an invention or something that was used in the British military, whereas the Flieger watch is used by those Luftwaffe German Air Force. So I find it quite funny that they went with a NATO strap here. But for this case, I think that the color combinations work quite well. The blue dial sort of like matches the gray NATO strap, and it comes with matching brush buckle because the case is bead blasted. So yeah, that's it. And before we end the video, here's just a quick look of the hang tag. Laco 1925, made in Germany. And let me see if I can get the serial number. Yep, it's the model number, right? So it's Aachen Blaustunde. Yeah, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. Laco 21 joules automatic. Alright, so I will do a full review for this piece in a couple of weeks or maybe months. And do stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that video. And you can also follow me on my Instagram for more watch pictures. Till then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye bye.